Yo, we are back in the Nike factory store, and I need to come back because I saw a good one yesterday, so I have to come back to buy more. And this is the one. This is the Nike Shock 59.97 with that price with the additional 25%. The Nike Hippie Space na good to resell. So as you can see right here, the Nike Hippie Space 79.97 still not good to resell. But the overreact here, the 79.97, surprisingly, these are reselling. So we have here the Nike Air Max 2090 colorway, not bad for the colorway, $89.99. This one also the Nike Air Max 2090 black colorway, $89.99. This kind of seating right here, the Nike Air Presto colorway is the laser kind of crimson with silver, $79.99 with additional discount. I'm not gonna wait this one. Probably they're gonna drop somewhere about $54.97, just like the outlet, because they have a bunch of stock here. I was gonna buy more of this one because the price is $59.97 with additional 20% of discount, but some of these have some kind of defect or something, and as you can see, there's a markings here on the box. This means that these are kind of have some kind of defect, though probably it's not that noticeable, but yeah, boxes, but some boxes they don't have markings, so maybe those are good ones right here. Look at this one, $9.97. So we have here the Benassi Just Do It. Retail on this one is $25, and they had it on $9.97 with the additional 25. That's not bad for that price. And beside that is the Killshot 2 leather. I was like, ooh, I'm still stoked on the gum bottom of this one. Ooh, I want this one. Maybe I'm just gonna wait a little bit. So they have a lot of my size though, 10.5, so I'm not too much kind of hurry to get me. I'm not gonna wait out a little bit. Probably that's gonna drop somewhere $59.97 with additional 30, but if they don't, no worries. Alright, so just as expected on these Lebrons, they're not selling out because they're still high, $149.97. See, full size run. This also different colorway, full size run, and a Lakers colorway, also full size run, and they're selling $149.97. Soldier, $99. Another Soldier, $99. But check this out, we got the KD13 TB, $89.97. but they still have a full price run. Not much of a buyer out here, and I haven't checked the comps yet, so I'm gonna check it out if they are reselling or what. They did a restock on this one, Nike Metcon 4. Yesterday it was kinda out of stock because a lot of reseller picked them up, so got lucky that they restocked. Yo, we have here 50% off additional on the sport wear. So as you can hear, we got some Denali or something hoodie right here, and they are selling for $64.99 with the additional 50%, and then it's gonna have additional 25% off, so that is more than, wow, that's a lot of discount. All right, so we're almost done here, and I'm gonna pick this up. Some hoodies right here, and these are the one that we're gonna pick up today, and these are the only one that was kind of came here to come back to pick them up. So hopefully and especially I got more than 5 pair today, so unlike the other day that there's only a limit of 5, but today I got 10 pair. Alright, so before we end this video, I would like to show you what we got today. I pick up 3 pairs of this hoodie because they are really cheap. The retail on this one is $85. They had the tag price is $64.99, additional 50% off, and then additional 25% off. So do the math, that is already a good discount. Since also this is a good hoodie. I got a fleece down here, and the hoodies might kind of more comfortable inside. I mean the fleece inside. And these are the pair that I had to come back because they are, to my surprise, they are kind of reselling very well. So I have here the Nike Overact Flyknit ISPA, and this kind of new thing that going on with this kind of recycled material. And to my, just like what I said, to my surprise, they are reselling very well. And some of them are low balling, but the price is kind of within the range that is kind of 30 to 40%, still a good profit on this one. Also, I had to go back more to have it is on the hold them for a investment, a long-term investment. I've been doing a lot of videos of the Nike Shock because I knew that they are reselling very well. They are if you can get them so very cheap, you need to go get them. Like, these are good investment. You think Jordan are good investment, these are also good investment. These ones go way above the retail, and there is a market out there. Someone is buying Nike Shock, so especially the colorway, not bad for this one. That's why I got to go get more, because when I did the investment, my first time investment of this Nike Shock, they are really do well. So that is my Nike factory store pickup for today. I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, can you please leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. With that said, thank you again for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.